Hello, we're back again. We made the pasta sauce yesterday in Rosina's Italian kitchen. And when we stopped yesterday, we had the sauce simmering, and I think I simmered it for at least 5 hours, very low, and just watched it so it didn't, stick at the bottom like it could. And when it was, and I stirred it occasionally. Then when it was done, what we considered done for yesterday, the simmering part, I put it in the refrigerator overnight. As we all know, we can't blend anything hot in the blender because you know what happens, it just kind of explodes every place. So putting it in the refrigerator overnight really is helpful. So I filled this container from my pot here, and I'm going to blend it now. And I also want to show you, I didn't show you yet, the texture of the sauce after it was simmered. See, it's got chunks and stuff. I hope that you can get the idea. And by blending it, we get a nice texture. Now, some people may like the chunky sauce, but I rather like the thick sauce. It's a good consistency for me. So let me go ahead and blend this that I have in here and show you the difference in the texture. Stopping the blender to make sure it has blended well. It has. And then what I use is these containers. This happen to have yogurt, and so I can put them in the freezer, and then when I use the sauce, I can just toss this. But see the consistency? It's a pretty nice texture. So, and let me get a spoon to show you the difference of the two. So I think you can see this, but let me get a spoon. And you see the texture. Now I don't know if I blended it quite enough. Yes, I did. It seems fine. It's a nice thick sauce. So I will continue blending the rest of it, and then put the top on it and put it in my freezer. And whenever we want to have pasta, it's ready to go. Hope that you try this method and enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.